vele sengibahloniphile nabanye abantu ebengibandile cha bafowethu la sihlangene ngodaba lolu silazi sonke ke lingenze ngawumuntu ngawu a wise man once said izolo ngatrenda and bengifuna ukisho la ukuthi hayi bafethu lana ngizele for self pity angizele ukuthi ngizoxeka usibanibani or ngizofuna ukudatshukelwa hayi asisambi kanjalo le ayihlangene naleyo nto leyo le live bengithi ngengize ngiyenze kahle kahle bengithi yonke lento le angeke ngi-entertain yabo and I was advised a lot by a lot of people yesterday but wise bethu unga-entertain ngashandisa baniyeke idlule yabo and ngathola the reason why ngithulile izo ngaphakathi mina bengibeza abantu besho kodwa ngaphakathi mina so like no into kanjena kumele uyithulele khona izinto ngizokuthulo ongathi ungayithulela but into kanje angimele uyithulele so izolo ngithule ngoba ngihlonipha usuku la izolo bekusuku le march labantu besifazane lokuthula so ngithe angeke ngifune mina ukhoza i-conflict ngokuthi ngiqhamuke nalezi indaba zami kanti usuku labantu besifazane sekuhloniphe lokho gender based violence ibaluleke kakhulu le nto lesonke and imarch yokuthula so that was my reason why izolo ngithe no angeke ngize ngisho lutho ngizolinda idlule bese ke ngikhuluma ngayo namhlanje yabo and then uthini sisi sicela unyuse izwi futhi siyazi nomfazi so bafethu yonke lento le i-live yami it's about i-obsession ne being a pandemic. It's not about here ukuthi ngizobhesha ubani usisi noma utheni wa creator in none. I'm not here to do that. There is not about pointing fingers ukuthi lo uyabheda lo okay. And secondly ngicela ukuthi ngibonga kakhulu usisi ubuhle Mbatha okwazile ukuthi ayihluphe because yento ehluphile izolo ngithole ngo-Omega ngiza ngathi lo Omega uthi kuse na into engithola i-message ngithola kubuhle Mbatha kanje and then ngase angazi kwenza le ndaba. Okay, anyway, ngiyaqhubeka. Ngase ngisho ukuthi hayi no sisi wami wayesengilandisa usisi ukuthi no lo sisi uyamazi and uyabona ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani uAliya noMogel umuntu oyedwa uyamazi vele ukhule naye ubani uAliya lo ulwazi lo uthi umkhwanazi wamenza imdumiso ukhule naye wayevele obsessed ngami kudala since kudala into yamanje wayeze create umuntu ongekho ethi wena aphinda athi ulale ekhaya yabo nje ukuthi ngiyabo wacha ngoba benibona nje ngifunda lapha yabo ukuthi uyamazi uyasisi manje uyasaba naye nandada so yazi yakhulela ifikeni ekuthenini kuze kube into ke eyenzeke izolo kanti it turns out ukuthi vele usisi wakwang DM a long time ago, few months 5 or 4 months ago if abantu abangazi ku-Instagram ngoba nganga-reposta le nto yakhe eyibhalile yamathathu engitshela ukuthi how obsessed she is she's inspired by my work ngami ngaze ngayijabule baze basho abangani bami amajita engiphila nawo enibaziyo basho bathi wise abo sihleka njengamajita bathi wise abo le nto mzana ngendlela enza ngayo mfana hayi lo muntu usengakidnapha kunquma ngeke umuntu abhale igama isibonge date of birth inyanga nosuku uthe komzimbeni wakho uthini endodeni yakho uthi nabo yazi amajita kuhlekwe ngalo nto kanti nami engazi ukuthi nganti kusasa izophuma le nto ibe kanje so abantu abakanje bafethu akumele sibabheshe yabo so we don't need to bash them we don't need to say uyahlanya nani because vele i-obsession it's a pandemic obsession it's a disease obsession ukugula understand and lo muntu lo usuke ngayiboni ukuthi u-obsessed uyagula usebona ngathi yena iyaphila ngempela if ezokwazi utshela umngane wakho njengobuhle nobani ethi bembone sayingane icreator lo muntu lo ethi mina ephinde tshele bona ukuthi ebesekhaya elala nami yayibona lonto so yabo it's a disease yabo and ayenzeki lonto kuphela kwabantu abafamous ukuthi umuntu uzoba yifan yenze amsho nawe ukhona umuntu omaziyo onomngane uzubone nami mhlawumbe ukuthi hayi ngeke but wami omncane ngiyazi uyamthanda lo mngane kodwa ngendlela usuwenza ngayo manje sekweqile that's an obsession yabo it's something that we need to look upon and it's something that we need to fight together yabo so akusizi mina njengamanje ukuthi ngithi okay wenza ukuthi lo sisi wenza ukuthi nangi siyambona ukhuluma ngomkhwanazi umthwanazi wamtrend say that now it's clear to say ukuthi no inkinga ukhona inkinga ekhona you know what I mean so manje how do we fight that and ngizolo besimasha njengabantu besifazane simashela ukuhlukumeza abantu besifazane nalokho sakuhlukumeza kumuntu besifazane ngokwengqondo you know so I feel like we need to fight this together singaphoni fingers and ulontuzana ubani ubuhle usisi lo ubuhle ongitshelile ngiyabonga sisiwami lento oyenzile ubuqhawe ukwazile ukusiza umngane wakho yabo lento yenzile umsizile umngane wakho wena ubona ngathi mhlambe hey abantu bazothini lento yenzile mfethu ukwazi ukuthi to expose such a thing it's not only embarrassing a person, you know what I mean, embarrass awumhlazi ebantwini kodwa into oyenzayo awubone nokuthi ukumsiza ukuthi athole usizo uzothola futhi usizo ngoba abantu abaningi seba away. I'm sure ukuthi bakhona ngisho abantu abakubonile lokho kuyena eduzane naye, you understand, but manje ngoba uyasathi nabantu abamnyama sekanjani sizothi mase kwenzeka into kanje you gonna laugh it out njengoba izobehleka nami ngihleka mfethu ngifuna uqamba ama lento ithe iphuma ngathuka but ngathi bengifuna oba ngiyazi ukuthi no ayihlangani nami ngihleka ama comment bebewasha abantu bathi hawu nginomfazi awuzwa yini yabo nje lento abanye besho ukuthi esambone emshadweni Nkosi yabo ukuthi wayesevuka edlo zanti amangu iqile ukhonta phezulu yabo lezo zinto lezo sihleka abajita bengifonela bengihleka yabo. So such things you don't take it to heart but we take it as a lesson ukuthi if mina ngizothula ngento enzeka kanje and I know ukuthi mhlambe nginayo ivoice engakwazi ukuthi isizakale because at the end of the day bancane labantu. You need to remember something ukuthi njengamanje bafethu ithina obaba ithina omama.
Hi, get your family. Welcome to Ula Trending Mzansi. Aisham bathandi bomgosi nizizwele. So a wise man is trying to justify or rather to cover up of what was happening the past week about the screenshots that were circulating of a woman stating that allegedly she has a baby and the father is wise man. Wise man to that poor lady, she is obsessed with him. It's all obsession and there is nothing as such that is currently happening, which of course brings me back to the screenshots, because one of the screenshots when wise man responded to that girl, he was like sizobona ukuthi imedia izobelieve ubani between mina nawe and nobody. And by the look of things, people are like buying story saka wise because baby girl is indeed obsessed, but obsessed ganjani when wise man one, however, or the manner of him responding to the questions or rather to what the girl was saying, it was lacking something, but it shows there is more to the story. Which again, it brings us back to the main thing. Ogoto Kelly told him to come and do a DNA and he could not even respond to that. He kept on saying, nginomfazi mina. Hayibo. Hayi kuningi shem kuningi, but istory sakhe sakamjitha asihambelani kodwa sawuthini. Please do leave your comments down below. But what do you think about this issue? Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one. Bye.